It's time to craft. Let's go. Welcome back to my channel, guys. So as you can see, I am removing the packaging from around my cutting board. I am applying this Waverly brand chalk paint in the color crimson to the entire piece. And I am using my heating tool that was purchased from Amazon about 1.5 years, 2 years ago or longer. And it won't conk out on me, guys, but I won't let it. And now I have some extra fabric in the buffalo check pattern, and I'm applying it to the top of this piece using the Elmer's Craft Fun adhesive. This works great, guys. Get you some now. And now I am just cutting away the excess fabric from around the piece. And now I am burning away the strings that were hanging from this piece, just giving this a clean edge. And I will say, make sure that you exercise safety when using any type of adhesive sprays with fire. And now I'm painting over this Believe wood cutout. I've painted this thing about 300 times, guys, until I decided to use this shimmer gold paint. I don't know the brand of the paint because I picked this up from Guardian Angel thrift store in their crafting bin. And I am just applying that to the front, well, on the top of this Believe word. That way it gives contrast to the buffalo check pattern, which I will be affixing this piece on top of. Guys, if you have yet to subscribe to my channel, please make sure you click on the subscribe button, and don't forget about the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you when I upload anything to my channel. Off camera, I have already taken that box and painted it in 2 tones, the red and black. We are going to make a Believe planter out of this. And guys, you could have just left it with just the word Believe on top of the board and not even added a planter to it. I just decided to add a planter because, you know, sometimes you just got to be a little extra. Just be extra. And now I'm taking this jute twine that I purchased from Walmart, and we'll be applying it to the perimeter of this piece. Guys, have you enjoyed your long weekend? I cannot complain. I had a wonderful time. I've been trying to rest, but you know, hey, impossible. Now I am creating little bows to put on top of the planter itself. This turned out to be so cute. I have been having this piece unedited in my files for about 2 weeks now. So I said, well, I might as well go ahead and release it so that they can have some content to look at. And as you can see, I am taking some of this foam, floor foam, and putting it in the back of my little tray. And now I'm taking these metallic gold floor Pics that I purchased from the DollarTree, and we'll be putting them on the back of these to, like I said, make this a Believe planter. And guys, you don't have to do this at all. You could make this into just a standalone piece with just the word Believe and leave the floor box off of it, or you can make this into a candle holder. There's so many different ways you could style this. I just chose to make this into a planter. And it is turning out cute. You can put this piece on a side table. You can put it in a bathroom, on a countertop. I mean, if you have like a shelving unit, you can put it on a shelf. You know, if you have a built-in bookshelf, you can put it on your bookshelf or book stands. Or you can do like me, when you have extra crafts, take it to work and put it in at work. Guys, look at this piece. Is it not cute? It's cute. And you see it styled with one of my previous DIYs. Look at that, guys. I think it turned out adorable. Guys, I want to thank you for stopping by my channel. I want to thank all of my new subscribers and welcome you to my channel. Thank all my returning subscribers. You guys rock. And until the next DIY. Bye, guys.